Welcome back to our lesson. Today we're going to learn how to tell time in English. It's going to be fun and helpful. Stick around and let's get started. There are two ways to tell time in English. Let's break it down in a fun and easy way. Say the hour first and then the minutes. Hour plus minutes. It's 7:42. It's 10:18. It's 3:56. It's 12:09, like the letter O. It's 5:30. Say the minutes first and then the hour. Minutes plus past or to plus hour. For minutes 1:30, we use past after the minutes. For minutes 31:59, we use to after the minutes. It's 10 to 4. It's 5 past 10. It's 28 past 7. It's 19 past 5. It's 2 to 1. It's 20 to 9. A quarter past. When it's 15 minutes past the hour, we say, a quarter past. It's 7:15. A quarter to. When it's 15 minutes before the hour, we say, a quarter to. It's 2:45. Half past. When it's 30 minutes past the hour, we usually say, half past. It's 3:30. But we can also say 3:30. O'clock. We use o'clock when there are no minutes. It's 11 o'clock. It's 6 o'clock. It's 8 o'clock. Midnight. When it's 12 at night, we call it midnight. It's like the middle of the night when everything is quiet and most people are fast asleep. It's a time when the world seems still, and even the stars appear to be resting. Noon. When the clock strikes 12 during the daytime, we call it noon. It's the middle of the day when the sun is at its highest point in the sky. It's a great time to take a break for lunch and enjoy the warmth of the sun. Asking for the time. The common question forms we use to ask for the time right now are, what time is it? What is the time? Could you tell me the time, please? Giving the time. When someone asks you what time it is right now, you'd say, it's 5:30, or it's 10 to 12. But when you're talking about specific events, like when a bus is coming or when a concert starts, you use at, followed by the time. For example, you'd say, the bus arrives at noon, or the concert begins at 11 o'clock. You can also just use it instead of repeating the event. So instead of saying, the concert begins at 11 o'clock, you can just say, it begins at 11 o'clock. AM versus PM. We don't normally use the 24-hour clock in English. We use AM for the morning and PM for the afternoon and night. 2 o'clock in the morning, 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Check out our website for plenty of enjoyable exercises covering different vocabulary and grammar topics. www.petrevonenglish.com. Take care and see you next time.